Guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix internet connection problem in Windows 11 and how you can completely fix this up. So let's get started. First thing what you have to do is just have to click over here and you have to search for device manager. You have to search for device manager. You have to click on this. From here you just have to go over here in the network adapters and you just have to update this one. You just have to right click on this and go for update driver. This is what you have to do. This is the basic step. Okay, now moving on to the next solution is what you have to do is just have to move to the next one, which is you just have to search here for task manager. You have to search for task manager. You have to click on this. Now from here you have to click on services and you just have to expand this, and there is an option called open service at the bottom. You have to click this up, and from here you have to find the following one. So the first one is all about first one is all about Wi-Fi direct service connection. So you just have to scroll down and you have to find Wi-Fi direct. So you just have to find it from here. So as you can see, this one, Wi-Fi direct service connection manager services. So you just have to select this, and from here as you can see that the startup type is manual. You have to change this to automatic and you have to go for start, and you have to enable this up and you have to go for apply and go for OK. Now the next one is all about you have to check for Windows update. So here itself you just have to scroll down and you'll be able to find Windows update. You have to right click on this, and from here you have to change this to Windows update has to be changed into automatic. So this is into automatic, so there is no issue. You have to go for apply and go for OK, and you just have to close this. Moving on to the next solution is all about you have to search here for settings and you have to open this. Now from here what you have to do is just have to click on network and internet connection, and over here there is an option called change adapter options. You just have to click on this. Now from here you just have to click on Ethernet. Okay, you have to right click on this and you just have to enable this. If it is disabled, you just have to enable this, because here right now the power the electricity is not available, so I am not having Wi-Fi. But for those who are having the trouble, you just have to enable this. Okay, you just have to enable this, and this is what you have to do, and these are the steps. And also do a restart, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.